Hello everybody and welcome back to Debugged. In this lesson we are going to talk about what is an API endpoint. So let's look at this picture together. On the left side you see a person using a laptop. This person represents the client. A client can be a website or a mobile application. Above the laptop you see a speech bubble that says get users. This means the client is asking for user data. Very important, the client is not asking the whole server. It is asking for something specific. Now let's see this side of the image. You see a building. The building represents the server. Notice that the building has multiple doors. Each door has a label. Users, products, login. These doors are called API endpoints. An API endpoint is a specific URL that is responsible for one specific job. For example, the users door handles user information. The products door handles products. The login door handles authentication. You do not enter the building anywhere you want. You must choose the correct door. Now look at the arrow in the image. The arrow goes from the client to the user's door. This shows that the client chose the user's endpoint and sent a request there. On the far right, you see another person holding a piece of paper. On that paper, you see JSON data, like an ID and a name. This represents the response that comes back from the server. The server processes the request and sends data back to the client. So, an API endpoint is a specific URL like a door that performs one specific task to the server. Until next time, see you!